Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will learn sum and count of data in highlighted cells using two ways. Generally or usually, we get the data, color data, some highlighted data in highlighted cells, and we have to apply the function sum, countif. So how we can do, we will learn by using two ways or two methods. Let's start. First, we will use this method get.cell, and second, we use this method. So let's start. So we will use the get.cell 38. 38 is the index number of cell color. With get.cell, you can retrieve data, background color. The 38 is the index number for the cell's color, right? So let's use, we'll go to the formula. One, enter, new, and here we will take cell color is equals to get dot cell function bracket 38 index number of cell color, and then left of this cell we will remove the dollar sign, close the bracket, and okay. So this is what we get cell color, and close. Same formula we use, this is equals to cell color, enter. So this is what we get, and we will get the colors, right? Now we will use countif, right? Now it's asking range. So I take this range, comma, I can take 6 color, 6, and close the bracket, 6 we are getting. So let's count this criteria. It's not taking the criteria. Alright, so it's not working. We have to use the criteria is app, and then enter. Now it's working. Sorry to control shift. We will lock this control shift dollar. Have to, we will lock the cell. So when we drag, this is what we get. 2 here. Here is a 2 count. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect answer, right? So this is how we can do. You can do it by adding the color range also. Like if I add the pen here, white. After applying 10 also, we are getting answer. At the cell color of 6, then also it is in here, 33, sorry, also in right answer. So we are in next colors. Now let's something summary. So my is comma criteria. Let's taking cell color tab comma range. So my range enter. So what I will do, I will put a dollar sign to drop it. To drop this cell, and I will drag it to right answer. Right, perfect answer. 100 plus 25 is 125. 25 plus 55, 85, 85 plus 50, 130. Perfect answer. And so on. 10, 40, 50, 50 plus 65, 135, 135 plus 55, 170. So, would you like this? Name manager, take an example, right? I will put it into so let me hide this. Very simply, what I do now, I told you, use all 11 for this all 11, right? So here we get the sum 271 6. So by using pressing all 11, this subtotal function is subtotal 103 column 1. So let's show you uh, this. It's showing 3. Let's take and showing you 4 and right. So you can change the sum also. Let's take this sum 125. So this is how you sum amount data in highlighted cells using 2 ways. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this trick, then do subscribe our channel for more tricks, more Excel tricks, more questions of Excel. Keep watching our video present in the playlist, present on our channel, present in the playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take